How to check activation date of any Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to check activation date of any Android device on an easy way. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. So let me make you aware that there is no any direct way to check the Android phone activation date, but there is a trick that help you to get an idea about the Android phone activation date. So the trick is whenever you buy a device, you need to sign in through your Google account. So if you check the first sign in date of your Google account, you will get the idea of activation date of your Android device. For that, open any Google connected application like Gmail or Google Maps or Google itself, or any browser also where you have logged in or signed in to your Google account. Tap profile icon at top right corner of the screen and then select the arrow next to your Google account name, and you can select any of your Google account where you first sign in. Once you tap on it, go to settings or go to manage your Google account at top of the screen. You can simply swipe to the left and tap security. From here, you need to scroll down and select the option for manage all devices. Select your account or your device. So this is my device. So let's open this device. And here you can easily see first sign in 13 March 2022. So this is the date when I bought my device and logged in or signed into the Google account. So we can get the idea that nearly this is the Android phone's activation date. So I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.